Here's an update for the Hisense fridge freezer. See the original video. Well, it's an update on the Hisense fridge freezer, but it's also an update and sort of a review on domestic in general. In general are the ones who the insurance policy was with. They call it an extended warranty, but it's actually an insurance policy. The fridge has been condemned. It's knackered, and the insurance policy have written it off. By which I mean they just paid out on it. The guy from Hotpoint or this other company, I forget their name right now, but I'll put it here, came out, both of them came out to see it actually after telling me they wouldn't. One of them wouldn't and the other would. They both came out and they both said it wasn't fixable. Well, part of it's fixable, the door part's fixable, but the freezing pipes is not fixable, so they won't even try. They just said it'll get replaced. This part is a bit broken right now, so because this bit's got smashed here, you can see there's some lines there where the hinge is rubbing on these sharp bits, and that is causing a bit of a problem when you go to shut it. Which, well, it's shutting fine now. Anyway, sometimes it doesn't shut right. I've put a bit of oil in it to try and fix that. I can fix that bit myself. You can buy the part for that. It's about 50 quid off of this website. So I'm going to buy that and fix that. The ice maker, I don't know. I might try and get it working again, or I might just live without it because the insurance company's paid out the amount of money we paid for the fridge pretty much. But we don't really, I mean, this is one of the reasons why we're not replacing it is because it's super heavy and we've been left to deal with it now. So I guess if you bought a new one, they would take this away. But we don't really see the point in buying a new one. This one's working as a fridge and a freezer just fine. This little part's not working, which means that the extended warranty company has paid out, which is good for the insurance company. Well, it's good for us and a good response from the insurance company because what we bought's not fit for purpose and can't be repaired. But domestic in general, it did take a lot of time to actually get them to be able to tell me what was happening. They had my email address wrong. The guy on the phone couldn't understand my accent. I don't know if that's a general thing, but anyway, he seemed to have put the wrong numbers at the end of my email address, so they never sent me the email for ages until I phoned up and I was able to log in with the right email address to the portal. But you can't actually do any of your repair stuff on the portal. You can only book an appointment. But aside from that, there was no issue with the payout. We got this from Argos, and Argos just sent us vouchers, which is a bit rubbish because you can only obviously spend the vouchers at Argos. But I guess that was where the insurance policy was bought from, so they're within their rights to do that. But we're not going to buy a new fridge freezer. We're going to spend the money on other things, which is within our right to do that, I think. For now, forget all this. It's fine. Just put a jug of water in there. Hopefully these videos have helped you, and if you want to comment about your experience with domestic in general or Hisense, then feel free to do that. When I come to repair this door bit, which I will do, I might wait until it's completely broken or try and put like some sort of fix in there without spending the 50 quid. We'll see what happens. But when I do any of that, I'll make another video just for the sake of it. And if I get the ice maker working again, I'll make a video of that. And I'll maybe see if I can do something about it, if I can find where it's freezing. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Give it a like and leave a comment. See you next time.